machine. Looking for the space to park the machine. Got the space. Got the space. This is a machine. You get to see your haters from behind. You see, this is a fucking machine, dog. This is a fucking machine, dog. You get to see your haters from behind, dog, and be looking at your haters in the screen. Let the haters take the selfie, dog. Let the haters take the selfie on the screen, motherfucker. All the haters, they may take the selfies on my reverse camera. Yeah, that's a new line. All my haters may take selfies on my reverse camera. All my haters, they may take selfies on my reverse camera. Yeah, man. All the haters, they may take selfies on my motherfucking reverse camera. Yeah, dog. Bitch, this is fame, not cloud, my nigga. All them haters. It's a 7.5, nigga. We don't play games. We don't play games, nigga. We don't play games. Haters may take selfies on my motherfucking reverse camera, my nigga. All the haters, they may take selfies on my motherfucking reverse camera, nigga. On my motherfucking reverse camera, nigga. That's where my haters can take selfies, my nigga. Go tell haters. I got that Dior, my nigga. See, I got that Dior, my nigga. 3.5 on my motherfucker. 3.5 on the motherfucker. I got that Gucci, my nigga. I got that Gucci, my nigga. I'm too much, my nigga. My nigga, I'm too much. Got that Gucci, my nigga. I'm too much, my nigga. I'm too much, my nigga. We don't buy 100 mil, my nigga. We don't fucking buy 100 mil, my nigga. We don't fucking buy 100 mil, my nigga. We don't fucking buy that shit, my nigga. Haters may take selfies. FX Court. Anima Simpa. FX Court. FX Court. Ay. Haters. Uzobulawa inyongo. Uzobulawa inyongo. Injani khonyonyo. Injani khonyonyo. Injani khonyonyo. Injani khonyonyo. Injani khonyonyo. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. You can't be arriving like a bitch. You can't be arriving like a bitch. I can't hear you. You can't be arriving like a bitch. Yo, I have to go fetch my sneakers, but after we take a video. After we take a video. The nigga is finished with my sneakers. Yeah, he's done. How much? It's like 25 friends per pair. It's okay. Bad, I thought the thing is, he's my. A lot of shoes, man. I gave him, I think, 11 pairs. Yeah, you can just support my nigga, man. Yeah, support my nigga. Support my nigga that washes sneakers, man.
Yo, man. Today, let's talk about today.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's Andy. Oh, he's inside.
What's happening today, man?
It's work.
I'm gonna record.
Yeah, recording.
This video was started.
Are you gonna show you American shit?
Remember the color grading from yesterday? It was green shit. We hit this level now. Hit this level.
Let me
the level we found.
Haibo.
Yeah, we found this level.
Haibo.
Look at that shit.
So now, yeah.
You don't wanna record it.
Now we found
Yeah,
Found
the right candle.
Also the angle.
Where's the weed? Is that the weed?
And also,
what is that?
We also have this other angle as well. Cover this one. It starts like this. This one. Nobody will answer the phone. Yeah, what's up?
You guys are too much. Look at the colors.
Now we don't play now.
The colors are too much. Colors are too much. She wanna fuck with a goat. No, she wanna fuck with a goat. I recorded. I have that. You can't be arriving like a bitch. You can't be doing that. The entrance. This is a red carpet. Every time when you arrive here, you must make sure that the haters feel the pain. Yeah, you have to. It's important. Okay, so today we're gonna be making noise at Guess Man.
Yeah. But so
after
guys,
you've done,
later how it's coming. One of us we're gonna include the team. One of our students.
Too much.
Right now. Oh, it's fucking good, dog. Yo.
That boy's gonna be buying a car.
He's
gonna be buying a car.
Way to do that boy in the company.
He's gonna be buying a car soon. I even met up with his dad. That boy is too much.
Yesterday I saw the account.
Yeah, that boy is too much, though. That boy is too much. That shit is no longer beginner's like. It's too much. Exactly. Never flex with your results again. I'm too old now. Exactly. My student results.
I don't flex on them. I'm good at Forex.
Okay, tell people about the special that we are currently running for Black Friday.
The special is a Black Friday running. Please come get the course. 28% off.
And another one is 30. That one is 30.
Yeah, shop right to these people.
So guys, let me also tell you, hear it from the goatie's mouth, from Umalume. Umalume, because yenze abashipu. So now you know. So the winners of today are gonna be getting shit. So the winners of today, the 16 winners of today are gonna be getting themselves the FX Gold t-shirts. And then they're gonna have to go distribute our flyers in the malls. I don't want to even say, but the lucky ones might win themselves something very, very nice. I don't care which part of South Africa you are, but let me repeat again. You will have to go to any local mall and go to the taxi rank side, and then I'll announce the winners and put the tags on Instagram. Then you're gonna see who won. Like, even if you're at high school, we're gonna distribute our flyers at high school, at your local school, anything, man. As long as the flyers is given to a person. The other thing, you must explain to a person when you're giving them a flyer. You must say, get this back off. That other one, the blue one.
I mean, we just came to the office.
Yes. Where the other one? Where did you guys win these bags?
What?
Where did you win them? This shit is nice, dog. You never lose anything when you got this. You'll never lose. Oh, niggas got bags now. Niggas got bags now. Everything, ne?
Are you taking a picture? Yeah.
No, me, I'm live, me.
Fuck you, Jay.
No, the other nigga is taking a picture, mos. You have to look next to your office. Some twin shit. Twin shit. Twin shit. Twin shit. Twin shit. Twin shit. We got a lot of twins here, guys. We got a lot of twins at FS Codes. You know, the reason why we trade Forex is because everything goes in twos. We have.
You're hiding it. Let me
Yeah, I don't hide the gold.
One more time.
It in.
She wanna fuck with a goatee. She wanna fuck with a goatee. She was. It's a was hiding it.
Now it's a was hiding it?
Was hiding. How can you hide a gold? Use the other hand. But it's not nice. it feels different when you do it on the other side. She wanna fuck with a gold. She wanna fuck with a gold. So if you're at Varsity and you wanna distribute our flyers, everything is open. You may do that shit. Can I be part of the people distributing flyers around Park Village and VUT Rest? No problem. You know how to apply. You know how to
I
apply.
wanna edit. Let me go.
Ish. Let me get inside.